Hi everyone. So, in this video, I'm going to talk to y'all about what I talked to y'all about in little bit about in the other video, like James Charles video. And then I think I talked to y'all about this few weeks ago. I don't know. But anyway, um Jim Charles, I'm going to say right now, James Charles is not the respectful person that people think he is. Because it's this woman, this Christian woman. I think that she said that she's a Mormon in one of her videos. I think. But anyway, she's on TikTok. And she made a video on TikTok saying that she wasn't going to allow her son to wear a dress because she said was really not supposed to wear a dress, and basically if my son wants to wear a dress, I'm not going to allow it. So anyway, James Charles heard that, saw the video or whatever, and then took to Twitter. And now this was like months ago, but anyway, James Charles took to Twitter and say that she shouldn't be allowed to have kids. Because if you're not going to let your kids be themselves, whatever, and you have stupid, stuck up people agreeing with this fool, and like I'm going, um, I'm going to try to be respectful here, but like. At this point, it's no more being respectful. First of all, not everyone have to raise their sons to be gay. Not everyone have to raise their sons to be sissy. That's it what people need to understand. And I mean, it's like irritating because people automatically say that, okay, if y'all don't support LGBTQ, something wrong with you, or you're dumb, and everything like that. And in reality, you're not dumb. You're not stupid. That's your belief. You don't have to support everything. That's what stupid people don't know, that you don't have to support everything. Like some people don't support Black Lives Matter. I'm not, you're not seeing me throwing an hissy fit. You have some people that don't support people with disabilities. You don't see me throwing an hissy fit. So not everyone have to support LGBTQ. I'm just saying respect people's decisions, respect people's religion, and respect people's culture. Like I know in some religion and some culture, it's like against the law to be gay and everything like that. Like, and anyway, James Charles, um, took to Twitter and say that he thought that he think that the woman shouldn't be allowed to have kids. Well, listen, I know that fool James Charles won't see this video because he's too better for me, but some of his fans will see this video. Um, I'm going to say this. You never tell a mother that they shouldn't have kids because some women can't have kids. Some women die to have a kid, but some women can't have kids. Can't and don't is different. And for you to say that James Charles needs to be happy he don't live in the same state as me because I'm not threatening him with no means. I'm not threatening him, but someone should show him respect. Sit your butt down because people over here respecting James Charles. Why, I don't know. But people respecting James Charles and James Charles not respecting other people. And it's ignorant how James Charles is. And like, it's just frustrating that you have ignorant people out here that supports a fool like James Charles. Like, people support him, but he really don't support other people. Even though he like act like it or whatever, he don't support other people. And even though if people say, oh, he do support us, he do support us, that's the dumb speaking. Because he don't support. He just, for the Black Lives Matter, whatever, he donated 1,000. Bro, you could, you could have donated more. Now, I'm not being stingy, whatever, but you're a freaking millionaire. You could have donated more, a little bit more than only $8,000. I not only, like I got more, but I could have donated $1,000. And I'm not a millionaire. I wish I was a millionaire, but I'm not a millionaire. So, you tell me the truth. Do James Charles care about black people or not? Really? If James Charles really cared about black people, he would have donated more, or he would have did more. And for people, before people say, "Oh well, his management team or agent probably say don't do this, don't do that," screw it. Screw it. Because if he really did care about black people, he will say more things about black people. Positive things about black people. He don't never say positive stuff about black people. If he says something about black people, it's always negative. So why do people support him? Why? Ask yourself that why. And what he say about, excuse me, that woman was disgusting. Telling a woman that you shouldn't be allowed to have kids. Like, it's like telling a woman you should die. That's the same thing. Because every woman out here can't, some women out here can't even have kids. And James Charles don't know that because he's not a woman. He wants to be a woman so bad, but he's not a woman. So he don't know. His mom should slap him across the mouth for stopping that, for thinking about that, for saying that on Twitter. His mom could slap him because he's not a woman, so he don't know the struggle. He just heard what in mother not going to let her son do. I just wish people stop being stupid and realize that James Charles is not a nice person. James Charles is not a respectful person. And people need to stop automatically thinking, oh, he's good, oh, or he's a millionaire, oh, I like him, and whatever. James Charles is disrespectful, he's mean, he's rude, and he's nasty. And how he talks is ignoring, and everything like that. But anyway, I hope you all love the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.